Hello. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of cells, the fundamental building blocks of all living organisms. We'll explore the cell theory, which is a cornerstone of biology and explains the relationship between cells and life itself. The cell theory is composed of three main principles. First, all living organisms are made up of one or more cells. Second, cells are the basic units of structure and function in living organisms. And third, all cells come from pre-existing cells. Let's break down each of these three principles. Principle 1. All living organisms are made up of one or more cells. This means that every living thing, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whale, is composed of one or many cells. Some organisms, like bacteria, are unicellular, meaning they consist of a single cell. On the other hand, multicellular organisms, like people, are made up of about 30 trillion cells working together. How large is 1 trillion? A stack of 1 trillion $1 bills would reach from the surface of Earth to over 67,000 miles into space. That's about a quarter of the distance between Earth and the Moon. And remember, humans have about 30 trillion cells. Principle 2. Cells are the basic units of structure and function in living organisms. Cells are not just the building blocks of life, they are also responsible for carrying out all the essential life processes such as growth, reproduction, and metabolism. Each cell is like a tiny factory performing specific tasks to keep the organism alive. Principle 3. All cells come from pre-existing cells. This principle highlights the continuity of life. New cells are not created spontaneously. They arise from the division of existing cells. This process, called cell division, ensures that life continues from one generation to the next. The cell theory is a fundamental concept in biology that helps us understand the relationship between cells and life. The theory provides a framework for studying the diversity of life and how organisms function at the cellular level. So, the next time you look at a plant, an animal, or even yourself, remember that you're made up of trillions of cells, each playing a vital role in keeping you alive. The cell theory reminds us of the incredible complexity and interconnectedness of life at its most basic level. Thank you for watching.